What if you could create a full horror story animation using AI, completely free? No paid software, no editing experience, and no complicated setup. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional AI horror story from script writing in Mortal Day, using a free tool to generating characters, scenes, and cinematic videos, all using free tools. If you want to start creating viral AI videos without spending any money, make sure you watch this video till the end.
ये जगह थोड़ी ज्यादा ही क्रीपी लग रही है, पर मैं डरने वाला नहीं हूँ। बस एक पुराना घर ही तो है, शायद लोग बेकार में डरते हैं। ये क्या था? कौन है वहां? ये मजाक नहीं है, मुझे यहां से निकलना होगा। शायद ये घर मुझे कुछ बताना चाहता है, मुझे हिम्मत रखनी होगी। मैं तुमसे नहीं डरता, बताओ तुम क्या चाहते हो। हर भूत डराने नहीं आता, कुछ सिर्फ अपनी कहानी सुनाना चाहते हैं।
So welcome to AI Agent Studio. Here we explore the world of AI agent and automation projects, tools, resource for all things AI and AI agents. So subscribe now, it's free, and click the bell icon for latest AI updates. Let's start today's video.
Step 1. Generate script using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT in a new tab. Then copy and paste the prompt into the search bar and press enter. ChatGPT will start processing the script. Don't worry about the prompt. You can find it in the description. Simply go there, copy it, and use it. After processing, you will see the generated script. The title of the story will appear as Stickman Ghost Horror Story. Next, you will see the main character prompt. Scroll down a little, and you will find Scene 1, Outside the Haunted House. This scene mainly includes a text-to-image prompt, an image-to-video prompt, dialogue for the scene. If you scroll further, you will see Scene 2, The Door Opens, which also contains text-to-image and image-to-video prompts. Below that, you will find Scene 3, Scene 4, and more scenes. Now copy the main character prompt. You will use this prompt to generate the main character image, which helps create consistent images across all scenes. Step 2. Generate the main character image using Grok AI. Now let's move to Step 2. Generating the main character image using Grok AI. First, open a new tab in Google and type Grok AI in the search bar. After searching, click on the first link. If you want to open Grok AI directly, the link is available in the description. You can go there and open it from the link. Once the website opens, you will see the Grok AI interface. On the left panel, click on the Imagine option. After clicking, a new interface will appear. Now paste the main character prompt into the description box. Next, adjust the settings as needed and press enter. Wait a few seconds while the image is being generated. Once the images are ready, you can choose any image that you like or feel satisfied with. I will choose this one. To download the image, click on the selected image. After clicking, the interface will change. On the right side, you will see several options including the download button. Click on download and the image will be saved successfully. Now our main character image has been downloaded successfully. Step 3. Generate scene-by-scene images and videos. Now let's move to Step 3. Generating scene-by-scene images and videos. First, go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 1 image prompt. Then return to Grok AI. On the starting interface, we will first upload the main character image as a reference image to keep the character consistent. Click on the Upload File option, choose Edit Image and upload the main character image. After uploading, you will see a new interface. Now paste the Scene 1 image prompt into the description box. Set the image settings and click Generate. Wait a few seconds while the image is being created. Your Scene 1 image will now be ready. Next, go back to ChatGPT again and copy the Scene 1 video prompt. Since we can create both images and videos using the same tool, we don't need to download the image first. Before pasting the video prompt, change the result setting from image to video. Here you will see 3 options: Redo, Edit Image, and Make Video. Click on Make Video, then paste the video prompt and press Enter. Wait a few seconds for the result. Now you will see the generated video with good quality, smooth motion, and strong emotions. To upscale the video to HD quality, go to the bottom right corner and click on the three dots. You will see the upscale option. Click on it and wait until the process finishes. After upscaling, click the download icon and save the video. Now follow the same process to generate the Scene 2 image and video. First, go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 2 image prompt, then return to Grok AI. Go back to the starting interface by clicking the upload icon. Select the edit image option and upload the main character reference image again to maintain character consistency. After uploading, paste the Scene 2 image prompt into the description box. Set the image settings and click generate. Wait a few seconds and the image will be ready. You will notice that the images look very realistic and clear. The tool may generate multiple images. Choose the one you like the most. I will select this one. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 2 video prompt. Return to Grok AI and change the result type from image to video. Paste the video prompt and press enter. After a short wait, the video will be generated. As you can see, the result looks beautiful and high quality, with smooth motion and detailed visuals, all created without much effort. Now click on the three dots and select Upscale to improve the video quality. Once the upscaling is complete, click the download button to save the Scene 2 video. Now let's quickly view all the scene results and fast forward. And that's it. All scene videos have now been successfully generated. Step 4. Edit the video using editing software. Now let's move to Step 4. Editing the video using editing software. In this tutorial, we are using Filmora, which is a paid software. However, you can also use any free video editing tool if you prefer. First, open the editing software and import all the scene videos you have created. Next, drag the videos one by one onto the timeline and arrange them in the correct order according to the scenes. After placing all the clips, adjust the audio volume based on your preference. Now go to the transitions section and add transitions between each video clip to make the scenes flow smoothly. Once everything looks good, click on the export button and export your final video. Your video is now ready. And that's how you can create an entire AI horror story video using only free tools. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and check the description for all free prompts and links. See you in the next video.